Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into the captivating world of causal AI, a term that's becoming increasingly vital in every business. Imagine being able to understand not just the what, but the why behind every layer of data you gather in your organization. This isn't just theoretical, it's already happening. Companies, especially in the financial services industry, are turning to causal AI to enhance their decision-making processes. For instance, JPMorgan Chase utilizes causal AI to analyze customer behavior and pinpoint the underlying reasons for turnover, allowing them to take specific actions to retain their most valuable clients. How powerful is that? Just think about how much heart and creativity goes into crafting strategies that truly resonate with customers while ensuring business growth. We're being offered greater insights, and it's transforming the landscape of corporate strategy. The financial sector stands at the forefront of adopting causal AI, especially as institutions face complex regulatory demands. Citibank has successfully employed causal models to evaluate various credit risk strategies that enhance their loan approval processes and ultimately reduce defaults. This is a stellar example of how data can inform substantial decisions that not only influence profitability but also customer trust. And let's not overlook compliance. For instance, HSBC has effectively relied on causal AI to navigate anti-money laundering legislation, identifying causal connections in transaction data to simplify investigations and stay clear of severe penalties. Can you feel the urgency of needing clear insights in such a regulated environment? It's about ensuring that financial institutions can operate smoothly while maintaining integrity and accountability. But we're not just seeing causal AI's impact in finance. The healthcare landscape is witnessing a similar revolution. From identifying root causes of diseases to predicting the effect of various treatments, organizations are harnessing the power of causal AI to deliver personalized care. The Jameel Clinic at MIT is a fantastic example, blending causal AI with advanced machine learning techniques to push the frontiers of disease detection and drug discovery. Imagine leveraging causal insights to tailor treatments based on individual patient profiles. This is the future of healthcare. It's about understanding not just what treatments work, but why they work for certain individuals, thus enhancing patient outcomes significantly. The emotional and ethical implications of providing personalized healthcare couldn't be more important, and causal AI plays a pivotal role in this landscape. Next up is manufacturing, an industry that thrives on efficiency. Companies are beginning to realize the profound impact causal AI can have on their operational dynamics. For example, giant companies like BP apply causal AI to determine the root causes of failures in wind turbines. With this technology, they're not just predicting failures, they're understanding them. This allows them to implement preventive measures before issues manifest, ultimately saving time and resources. The sentiment here is overwhelmingly optimistic. By employing such advanced technologies, industries are moving towards smarter, more resilient operational frameworks. Doesn't it feel great to imagine a future where technology and industry can harmonize for efficiency? And let's not forget about the hospitality industry. Casual AI is making strides, though its adoption has been noticeably slower compared to others. However, it is starting to unveil its potential in ways we never imagined. Picture a hotel assessing how to optimize pricing dynamically in real time near major events in the city. With causal AI, the hotel can effectively analyze demand factors, competition, and customer preferences to adjust strategies. They could even predict the ideal discount necessary to rebuild a relationship with a price-sensitive customer. It's about grasping the causes behind booking behaviors and leveraging those insights into actionable strategies that drive revenue. As we share these insights today, I hope you feel inspired not just about the technology itself, but about the stories of innovation within these industries. Now, shifting gears to an exciting advancement in AI technology, let's talk about temporal autoencoders for causal inference or TASI. This model is a promising tool that detects changing cause and effect relationships in complex, time-varying systems, like understanding brain activity of monkeys under various states or analyzing long-term weather data. Researchers are breathing new life into how we can interpret dynamic interactions over time by identifying when causal connections appear, weaken, or even reverse. The ingenuity of TASI imbues the study of complex systems with a fresh perspective. It's a beautiful fusion of technology and inquiry, creating pathways for deeper understanding that could lead to breakthroughs in both social and natural sciences. We cannot conclude without highlighting the contributions from tech giants like IBM and Google pushing the boundaries in causal AI. IBM is known for its deep commitment to integrating causal models with AI, investing in tools that help companies leverage their data for better decision-making. Similarly, Google has innovated various platforms like Google Cloud AI that implement causal AI techniques to help businesses enjoy significant improvements in predictive analytics. With their resources and expertise, they're leading the charge for industries worldwide to adopt these pivotal changes. It's a community effort, from large corporations to small startups, coming together to transform the understanding and capabilities of AI, ensuring anyone can navigate the evolving landscape of technology sensibly and effectively. As we look toward the future of causal AI, it is essential to recognize its potential in promoting transparency and accountability. Where traditional AI models might obscure the decision-making process with a black box approach, causal AI paves the way for a new standard of explainability. This advancement is especially valuable in heavily regulated sectors, as organizations strive to ensure their methodologies comply with stringent guidelines. I encourage each of you to consider how these insights could apply to your own industries and practices. As you recognize the challenges and opportunities ahead with causal AI, let's be grateful for the innovators making this possible. Their work lays the groundwork for a future driven by informed decisions and enhanced understandings of complex data relationships. In conclusion, causal AI is not merely a buzzword. It represents a paradigm shift in how we approach data analysis across industries. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, manufacturing, or hospitality, the insights gained from causal relationships can lead to more informed and responsible decision-making. As we embrace these technologies, let's open ourselves to the journey, learning how to interpret and utilize these insights for greater success. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of causal AI. Your support and engagement are what make these discussions valuable. Remember, stay curious and keep innovating, because together, we can harness the power of this incredible technology to shape a brighter future.